the top.
We want running leakage.
Pussy, go.
That's not a word.
You have no use for that lonely language. Go Asian on y'all. Ready?
Yeah.
You know I'm Asian, I can go kung fu on your ass.
Yeah, what now? Hardcore! Hardcore!
Watch, Michael's gonna fail. He's gonna like jump off and get his foot stuck in the shed.
Levitate, Mike. I'm levitating.
Quit saying no! Wait, he's scared of Fritos. Nobody wants to see your tiny penis.
Damn it, you made me spill my soda!
Juice.
Oh, he's feeling.
That was
He hit his head on the ground.
Oh, my head.